everyone, Kayur here back again, and in this video we will download PyCharm. So let's again go to our favorite browser. I will go with Google again and let's type PyCharm download. So let's go onto the official site, and there are two versions available for the download. So we will see there are two versions. So one is the community version and one is the paid version. So right now our objective is learning and we are into the beginner phase. So we will go with the community version, and other one is the professional version, that is a paid version. So I won't recommend it right now. So right now go with the community version. So again, there are three platforms available here: Windows, Mac, and Linux. So download PyCharm respectively with according to your operating system or your platform. So again, I am onto the Windows machine. So I will go with Windows. Here I will go with Windows, and this is the community version that we were talking about. So let's click on download, and it's free and open source. So once it is downloaded, let's install it. Again, to save this time, I have already installed it, already downloaded it. So let's run the executable file that we will get after the download. So let's just double click on it and let's accept the permission. Yes. Here we will click on next. Again, it is asking for the path where it will store all our Python projects. So what we will do is let's keep it as default. Again, if you want some customized path or a folder where you wish to store the projects, then it is on to you. So I will here go with the default one, and here we need to click on few of the checkboxes. One is the 64-bit launcher, another is .py. Now what this one will do, create associates.py, that whenever it will encounter a .py file, so we will directly be able to open it with PyCharm by just double clicking on it. So this will help us in that. And again, add launchers directory to the path. Let's click on next and let's install. Again, depending upon your machine's configuration, it will take a few minutes, and once it is done, it will be installed into your machine. So let's wait for a few minutes until it's done. So yes, we are done with the download, and once we are downloaded, it will ask us to reboot our machine. So let's catch up. Once we reboot our machine, I will reboot my machine once, and please you guys also reboot this one, since we have installed a new thing into the machine. So it will need to create some environmental variables and the system paths. So I will recommend that reboot it now. So let's click on reboot now and click on finish. So this will restart your machine. So let's catch up once we start our machine back. So once we have restarted our machine, so here we have our PyCharm. So let's just run it. Just double click on it. Yeah, it takes time, but not that much. Let's wait. Okay, now it's running. Yeah. So now it is asking us to import settings. So if you already had PyCharm in your machine, so it will ask to import the settings. Thus it will recover your old files. But since we are into the beginner course and we are installing it for the first time, so we will go with this option, do not import the settings, and click on OK. And here it will ask us to select the theme for our IDE. So there are two themes. One is this light theme there, and another one is this Dracula dark theme. And yes, I am a fan of this dark theme, so let's go with that. And you are free to go with the theme that you are comfortable with. So let's now click on this, start using PyCharm. So with this, we have installed our PyCharm and we have started it. So now let's create a new project. So in this project, we will create the files in which we will be writing our programs. So let's create a project and give it some suitable name. Okay. So now it will ask for the name of the project. So let's give it a name, basics, and environment directory is empty, basic. Create. So let's wait until it does all this configuration things like creating virtual environment and configuring all the paths and all these things. So it will take a few seconds, I guess, and once it is done, we will be ready to write some code or test it that whether it is working properly or not. Similarly, like we tested it on the Visual Studio Code, so we will do the same thing here also. We will again write print and hi, and that's our goal. So show tips on startup, no please, I don't want it. And yes, so here we are with our PyCharm, and this is our project that we have created just now, basic. So now how to create a new file. So just right click and new Python file. So let's again name it testing.py and click on enter. So the new file will be created here. We can see testing.py. So now let's again write that print function. So again, okay, print and hi. So we have written this one line of code, print hi. So now let's run our code. So how to run a code in PyCharm? Just right click anywhere on the screen or on the code editor and just click on run testing. Testing here is the name of our file. So click on run testing. So here again we can see hi. So yes, we have accomplished our goal of installation of PyCharm as well. Yes, I know that we have already written some code in Python by using the print function, but as of now we don't know what is print function. This was just for the testing purpose. So we will move ahead into the further videos and we will try to understand that what is this print function, how it works, and we will see much more things. So let's catch up into the Python series where we will in next video we will start writing some code, and I hope you will enjoy the content. So let's catch up in the next video.